It's Chriso. What I'm doing in this shower is laying a 12x6 tile on the floor and the walls. It's been, well, it is an existing shower and it's been modernised. As you can see with this tile, it's a little bit old and shitty, and this is a beautiful house. That I'm working on. They're very proud owners. So the first thing I'm doing is the silicon. It's all been, the owner has done this himself and he's done very well. He's put this niche in. I met this guy at the hardware store and we got talking, and he asked me to come around and give him a price, and it's ended up that I am now doing his bathroom. It's going to be a long strip drain in this bathroom, but I will be cutting it to length because I need it sloping down at the ends into the strip drain. But I'll be having that, I'll be sitting that there as I screed to get my right height. I'm going to be putting down a waterproof first, which will be my slurry. I'll be then doing my bed, and then tomorrow I'll waterproof again on top of my bed, and then the next day I'll lay the floor. Okay, I'll see you soon. Stay tuned and look for my next one. See ya.